In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly's citation-related features to generate, insert, and format citations in your documents. Whether you're dealing with auto-citations, formatting within the Grammarly editor, or utilizing the new Citation Finder agent, we've got it all covered. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about using auto-citations from a web page. Begin by ensuring that the Grammarly extension is installed in your browser. A quick tip is to ensure that the Show Get Citation option is enabled in the extension's settings. This option is essential for generating citations directly from web pages. Once that's taken care of, navigate to a compatible site such as academic journals or science article pages. These are the types of sites where Grammarly supports auto-citations. As you browse these pages, you'll notice a Get Citation button at the bottom left corner of the browser. Go ahead and click it. When you do, a pop-up will appear with the citation formatted in APA, MLA, or Chicago style. If the default style isn't what you need, you can easily select your preferred format from a drop-down menu. Once you've got the correct format, copy the citation and paste it right into your document, either as an in-text citation or as part of your bibliography, depending on your needs. Next, let's move on to formatting citations within the Grammarly editor. Open the document you're working on in the Grammarly editor. It's often beneficial to set your document domain to academic if this option is available. It fine-tunes Grammarly's suggestions for academic writing. Then, within your preferences or settings, select your preferred citation style, whether it be APA, MLA, or Chicago. Grammarly will then actively check for any formatting issues related to in-text citations or bibliography entries. It conveniently highlights these issues for you. Correct them as per the suggestions provided. Once you're satisfied, review the corrections and accept the changes, ensuring your citations are polished and consistent. Finally, let's explore using the Citation Finder agent. This is a nifty tool you'll find in Grammarly's Docs editor or wherever the Citation Finder agent feature is enabled. Open your document and look to the right-hand panel where you'll see the Citation Finder icon. Click it to get started. The agent scans your text and highlights claims that may need sourcing. By hovering over these highlights, you can view suggested sources. Click the one that best supports your claim and then insert it as an in-text citation. The full reference will also be added to your references list automatically. If necessary, you can switch the citation style through a drop-down in the agent panel to ensure your citations match your document's requirements. Once inserted, review your citations for accuracy and congruency. And there you have it. The detailed rundown on using Grammarly's citation tools effectively. With these tools, you can efficiently manage and format citations, letting you focus more on your writing and less on the details.